Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, why the heck have you not subscribed yet? Anywho, today I'm going to show you how to propagate Monstera deliciosa. I've acquired this huge plant that is really old and just not doing so well, so I'm going to propagate it. The reason why I am propagating this monster is because first, it is root bound, and that means that there are a lot of roots inside this pot and there's little soil. Second, it is etiolated, and that means that the plant has elongated over time due to the environment and conditions that it was in. Not so great. And third, the leaves are tiny and not as big as they should be. And hopefully when spring comes around, I'll get large leaves and a cute monster plant or two. To make propagations, you're gonna need a cutting utensil and a disinfectant. The reason why I have disinfectant is because I don't want the new cutting to get diseased. So I'm just gonna disinfect this, set this aside. So in a Monstera, you'll see these segments, and these are called the nodes. And in between the nodes are the internodes. That's where the incision is going to take place. Right where the nodes exist, that's where the new roots are going to grow once you put it in water or in soil. I'm back. It's been 3 weeks since I put the cuttings in water, and now there's a sufficient amount of root growth on it and they're ready to be potted. So let's pot them up. The three things that I will be using to pot up these cuttings are terracotta pots, coffee filters, and Miracle-Gro soil. The reason why I like to use terracotta pots is because it wicks up the moisture from the soil, causing evaporation, so that the roots of the plants aren't sitting in water, because if they are, it causes root rot. I use coffee filters as liners on the bottom of my terracotta pots, just so that the soil doesn't spill out. So what I like to do first is add soil about 1/4 of the way up, and then I put my cuttings in and just arrange them to your likings. So I'm gently pressing the soil down and offer support. Give a little tap. Number 1, done. Last and final step, water your BBs. I like to water it so that the water rises all the way up to the brim and let it just spill throughout the bottom of the drainage hole. That is it. Like, comment, subscribe.